What's going on, everyone? Coach CJ, your trading coach, back with another HyperDrive live recap from our session this morning, September 15, 2023. It was another easy day. It was an easy day for our community, not so much for myself, as I'll explain to you how I missed this movement. But our community definitely was able to capture on this movement. Now, if you've been watching my recaps, I always talk about how I only, between these two green lines, and this green line right here is the start of the New York session, and this green line right here is the start of our actual trading session, our live trading session that we do Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. In between there, I'm only looking for triangle entries. We see just outside that green line, this triangle entry came at 750, so I did not participate, although it was in alignment. We did have volume below the zero line, and we had volume below the zero line, and we had our red on the top as well. So we were red on the top, red on the bottom. So we were in alignment for this triangle, but it was not in alignment with my trading plan. It was not in alignment with my trading plan. My trading plan states that I want to only take trades on or after the New York session has begun, and that is at 8 a.m. Eastern. So I was not in that triangle, although people in the community were. And even if I was in this triangle, it would have been, by system rules, it would have been an early close out anyway. As we see that this candle, you would have entered here, right? And people did do this. They entered here and they would have literally had to close it out, I think right here. Let me see. The high on here is 35022. The close on here is the same. So they would have closed it out on this candle right here for about a 17 point loss. However, again, something that's not in my trading plan, but it is in the community, and some people in the community's trading plan, is these J4 entries off of here before our session begins. And if they took that, which they did, a handful of people in our community did grab this J4 entry right here, and they ate absolutely just a drop, and it's been a drop ever since. They ended up getting taken out on our live session after this wick down hit them TP4, and then when it came back up, it took them out at TP3 of 150 points from this trade right here. So one trade managed automatically, hit a TP4, came back and took them out of TP3. So at this time, right here, our session has now begun, and we're looking for our opportunities on our live trading session. So I was not in any of this movement. That's why I said it was easy for the community, not so much for me. As we got our opening bell candle here at 9:30, our high and our low got set. We did close below the low, right? So we were looking for either a retest off the J4 or a close below the low of the opening bell candle and a retest. So we got that retest on this candle here at 9:55. So we put our close line above that high, and we actually closed above it, invalidating the position. And this is, again, why I say it was an easy day for the community, not so much for me, because I took a loss on this trade. While there are some people that decided to go ahead and hold this due to the fact of their market knowledge and having, the order block here and things like that, and we were retesting off of that. So they held through it. Some of them held through it. By rules standpoint, I went on and closed it out. And I was like, you know what? It's been a decent week. Past phase one on my top tier challenge yesterday. I'm just going to go ahead and call it good for the day. And this ended up dropping through again, and people are making money with the system off of that. So again, easy day. HyperDrive way has done its thing this week, and I can't be more excited, more grateful for everybody whose journey this is coming into contact with. They're seeing a lot of clarity in their trading. People that are brand new are able to take advantage of this system, not have to worry about all of the overcomplicated concepts or any of that type of stuff. They literally just match up what we got going on here, wait for our entry points, and then execute their trade. So if you want to get involved in what we're doing, you can click the link in the description. Join us on tradestyle.co. It is Friday, so we won't be back live until Monday at 9:20 a.m. But you can use this weekend to get yourself set up, to get involved in our community at tradestyle.co, to get access to the indicator, to start going through the education, learn the course, spend this weekend learning a skill that will pay you for the rest of your life. All right. Till next time, stay patient, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. Enjoy your weekends. This is the last recap of the week. We are done with this week in September, and I'll see you guys next week.